FemiCore, the natural breakthrough formula that supports a strong bladder. Bladder control support. Microbiome balance. Healthy urinary system. FemiCore is designed to support bladder health by targeting the microbiome imbalance, which causes involuntary muscle contractions and those sudden, uncontrollable pee leaks. Bladder health is an important part of everyday comfort and confidence, especially for women dealing with unexpected leaks. That's where FemiCore comes in. FemiCore is specially formulated to help support a healthy urinary system by targeting harmful toxins and helping restore balance to your urinary microbiome. An imbalance in this delicate system may contribute to bladder discomfort and unwanted leaks. With its unique blend of natural ingredients, FemiCore works to replenish beneficial bacteria and support your body's natural urinary health defenses. The result? Better bladder support and greater confidence throughout your day. Using FemiCore is simple. Just take one capsule every morning with a large glass of water and make bladder wellness part of your daily routine. Feel more comfortable, confident, and in control with FemiCore. Inside every capsule of FemiCore you'll find an optimally dosed proprietary blend of exotic herbs, carefully mixed to complement one another and create a powerful bladder-supporting formula. Mimosa Pudica, Bearberry, Cranberry Extract, Granular Berberine, Lactobacillus crispatus, Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus plantarum, Lactobacillus gasseri, Lactobacillus casei. FemiCore, natural formula, easy to use, no stimulants, non-GMO. For more details, visit the official link in the description. Make sure to order only through the official link to ensure you receive the original product, the correct price, and the latest available offers.